Good job, Oneill.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
So first I have here cut potatoes, carrot, spring onion, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, and bay. My chicken is already washed and clean, so now I'm gonna add my spices. Already marinated my chicken, I'm gonna add some of my spices. Now I'm gonna marinate my chicken. I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of curry to the oil, and then I'm going to be adding my curry chicken to the oil.
But you used to go up on Mulholland Drive, park, every night, and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is what you were broken for.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, no, I like your work, or whatever that is.
You can put your fire a bit higher, Oneill.
Things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there, I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out
Put it on 6.
myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years, and I dated at Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $1 million.
So yeah, so I'll just cover it, guys, and let it cook down a bit. Look, guys, my curry is looking great and smelling good, looking delicious as well. And now I have to add the rest of my ingredients. Yeah. Now just stir.
Good job, Oneill. So what you doing now?
Now I'm just gonna stir up the chicken and
It's looking delicious.
yeah. Can't wait to taste them as well.
You gonna do what now?
I'm gonna let it cook.
Okay.
So I'm gonna let it cook for about 10 to 5 minutes. So guys, I'm about to start my curry chicken and I'm gonna put it in a plate when I'm done.
Don't burn yourself.
So I'm gonna start it now. Ooh, can't wait to taste this. It smells good as well.
Looking great, Oneill.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it in a plate.
Nice curry color.
Now the chicken is finished and the color looks great. And I'm now gonna share it out.
So what is it you're doing now, Oneill?
Put it in the rice.
Wow, you're doing a design there. Who taught you that? Me? Oh, so you watch mommy, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you likes the kitchen when mommy is cooking. You likes to watch mommy so you can do the same.
Yep.
Oh, good job, good boy.
This is yours.
Wow! Look at his face, guys. Look at his face. Okay.
Now I'm gonna add it.
So now you put your chicken. The chicken looks good on you.
The color looks great as well. And it smells good. Ready to taste it? Oh guys, now I'm gonna taste my food and I can't wait. This is delicious.
Looks good on you. Looks great. Yeah. Yum, yum, yummy. Looks good. Good job, Oneill.
So guys, comment down below if you think I did a great job. So if you want to support us by like,